in style this pre-owned 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 2500. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.6-liter V8 engine with four-wheel drive and a ALLISON 10-speed sure transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 101,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition and has been fully detailed. It has only had one owner. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, power windows, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, tow hooks, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.
We'll see you soon.